Today we are playing a stack and roll challenge. We're using a Jenga style game from the dollar store. It's technically a tumbling tower game, and you can use any blocks that you want. To play the game, we're going to play 3 rounds. The first round is using 10 blocks, second with 15, and the third with 20. And each round we'll arrange our tower pieces however we want, and then our opponent gets one chance to roll the ball into our pieces and try and knock down as many as they can. We get points for however many are left standing at the end of that round, and then whoever has the most at the end of 3 rounds is the winner. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
I actually want to do dominoes.
You're gonna do dominoes? If I get the front one of your dominoes, they may all fall down, so I don't know.
Yeah, but I just want to so good.
I opted for a tall one, hoping that maybe he would miss it. But if he does happen to hit it, I'm probably going to get it a big 0. But if he misses it, then I make it all 10.
If you go
So,
like this.
All right, do you want to go first on mine, or should I go first
Yeah,
on yours?
I wanna
Okay, you
go
got to
first
stand
on
right
yours.
from the beginning of yours. Here we go. Let's hope he misses.
Oh,
Totally got it. So I get a big 0 for the first round. All right.
Yeah.
I'm going to try and knock down the entire domino.
Okay.
No, you got to move your ball, dude. I got all 10 too. So first round is 0 to 0. While we get set up for the second round, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. All right, we are now set up. I think Grant's strategy was pretty smart. He did it this way because if my ball's rolling this way, I definitely will have some that I can't knock over. That was brilliant. I just went for a scattered approach, tried to make sure I didn't have any bowling style setups where it would lead into dominoes. I'm gonna try to hit this little guy too. See if we can pick up a third one as we go. Ah, 2! I only got 2, so Grant gets 13.
Okay.
All right, let's see how many I end up with standing.
Oh.
You gotta start back here.
Okay.
All right. Oh, 3 down. So I am 12 and you are 13. So Grant is up by 1. All right, ready for a third round with 20 blocks? We're gonna go third round. All right, 3.
I'm gonna win this. Oh!
You think you're gonna win?
Strategy. Just gotta hit that.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't think about the fact that it could fly. My strategy was I put a little bit of a barrier up front, so I sacrificed 9 of them. There's no way I can get points for these because they're already laying down. But I left that and then had this lined up to where hopefully that one stands, but if not, it's far enough that it won't knock over into those. So I've got to try and get down his. Grant kept a similar strategy the last time since it worked so well. All right, Grant gets to go first this time. So I'm gonna hope the mine stays standing.
Okay.
Oh! We only get 1 try each. All right, so Grant missed that one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So Grant has to get 10, keep 10 standing to tie the game, keep 11 standing to win. All right, let's see if I can get 11. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with his setup. It's pretty catchy. I may try a slow approach and see if that will work. Apparently that was a little too slow. So Grant is our big winner. Nice job, Grant. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.